This is a weird story of a young chess player, 7-year-old boy. I don't know if you saw this.
Yes.
A robot breaks the finger of a 7-year-old, a very talented, high level chess player. He's playing against the robot. The child continued his participation in the event even after his finger was placed in the cast. He just went on. He's like, I still got chess to play. But it's kind of a terrifying little clip where this chess-playing robot, it grabs physical pieces on a board. And you, the player, in this case, the 7-year-old, sits across from it. And he moves the pieces. And the robot, I guess, believes that his finger is a piece, and it just keeps clamping, and it won't let go. And it squeezes the finger until it snaps. The child made a move, and after that, we need to give time for the robot to answer, but the boy hurried. The robot grabbed him, Sergei Lazarev, president of the Moscow Chess Federation. We have nothing to do with the robot. The robot broke the child's finger. This, of course, is bad. The robot was rented by us. It has been exhibited in many places for a long time with specialists. It happens. A coincidence? It is necessary, apparently, to warn the children additionally. It is extremely strange that this happened, but it happened. It happens. These are the quotes. This child is one of the 30 strongest chess players in Moscow under 9 years old. And the family isn't very happy about it, for obvious reasons. And I'm not sure the child will trust the robots in the future because one of his initial encounters here led to a broken finger.
Yeah.
Just imagine that thing clamped on and squeezing and you can't get it off. So
I just can't get away from just this very literal response. Like, this is bad. This, of course, is bad. This happens. Like,
it seems like the implication is, yeah, the robot screwed up, but 99% of the time it doesn't. And therefore, we shouldn't throw the baby out with the bathwater. It sounds kind of protecting of the robot, to be honest. Which is
the child?
Which is telling, which is definitely telling, but maybe it's also just the bluntness of how it's delivered.
It is very blunt.
He does go on to say those responsible for the development of the robot are capable and should probably put some extra safety measures in there.
Sure.
It will be necessary to analyze why this happened. The robot has a very talented inventor. It may be necessary to install an additional protection system, is the remainder of the quote there. But I don't know that any of that will matter for the 7-year-old chess player. He will have the cast on now. And
it's just trauma.
And yeah, it would be a very memorable interaction with a robot and not an ideal one.
Yeah.